I will show you how to make a nice pretzel-shaped decoration. Fold the rope once, pull the two ends of the rope to the right and the middle to the left. Find the middle, make a little arc and put it down. Now you have two pieces of rope on the left and on the right. Take the right one, make a loop and place it over the left one. Take the left one and place it over the rope that goes down. Tuck it under the right loop and continue to thread the rope through the left loop. Continue, going under. Yes, pull it. Tighten it. Make sure that the ropes are even and don't get tangled. Continue with this method until you are satisfied with the amount of pretzels you have made.